Hello, and welcome to another episode of Boxing with Paul. And today, I'm very excited to bring you the Western Digital Easy Store 8TB external hard drive. It just seems that I can't get away from arch nemesis, Western Digital. Let's take a look at it. Now this is a Best Buy exclusive, with it being available with up to 20 terabytes of storage in case you wanted to spec it out to that much. In the box, we get a Type A to Micro B USB cable, as well as a barrel type wall adapter. And we also get a roadmap styled terms and conditions as well as warranty guide, but that's it. No instruction manual, which concerns me a bit. And here is the unit itself. It is an ugly little piece of plastic that is fairly dense, of course, as it being a hard drive. It's made out of that cheap plastic, that cheap glossy plastic that is going to get scratched to all heck the moment we peel off this protective film that comes included. And here you can just take a look in the back. We only have that input for that barrel type plug, as well as our Micro B input, and that's it. We just have the Kensington lock and no other way for us to communicate. There are no buttons, there are no switches, there's nothing else for you to interact with. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug it up and see just how easy it is to use right out of the box, or if we're going to have to struggle with it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. In order for you to be able to use this external hard drive with Macs, it must be formatted. To do so, you will need to shut down your Mac and power it on. As you're powering it on, continue holding the power button until you see this message appear on your screen. Click on Options. It will take you to the Mac OS recovery screen, which will prompt you to log in as a user with your password. Once logged in, you'll see Disk Utility at the very bottom. Go ahead and click on that. Afterwards, you'll see Easy Store listed on the left side. Select it, and then from the available options, click on Erase. It'll ask you to rename the external hard drive to whatever you may like, as well as asking what kind of format do you want it in, to which you will click ABFS. Afterwards, you'll click on Erase, and it'll ask you how fast or how secure do you want this to be. You're going to want to click on the fastest one, as doing so with the most secure swipe can take days, weeks, or even months, as this is a micro USB, a very slow standard. Confirm once more, and within 60 seconds you'll have confirmation of your freshly erased and formatted hard drive ready for use. Afterwards, it should be on your desktop the same way you named it. We can look at information and see that it has 8 terabytes of capacity. It currently has 6 available, as I've been filling it up, but it is not ready to be used as an external hard drive for you to load your files onto. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this drive? Again, I'd probably spring for the G drive after trying this out. I just wanted to branch out, and I didn't want to make all of my backup. I didn't want to make all of my storage be from the same brand, just in case there happened to be a bad batch or there was anything bad or wrong they were doing. And as always, thanks for watching.